Welcome to Top 5 Best Report. The best LG Dryer Lint Screen is probably one of the most overlooked yet crucial components for maintaining your appliance's efficiency and safety, ensuring your clothes dry effectively while preventing potential fire hazards. A clogged or damaged lint screen can significantly increase drying times, consume more energy, and even lead to overheating, making its replacement a simple yet impactful maintenance task for any homeowner looking to extend the life of their dryer and keep their laundry routine running smoothly. Number 5. Romalon 5231L1001C Lint Filter for LG Kenmore Dryers. Is your dryer taking too long to dry clothes or not drying them properly? It might be time to replace your old lint filter. Our upgraded filter is designed to capture debris effectively, improving airflow and reducing drying time. Crafted from durable materials, this lint filter assembly ensures long-lasting performance. It's designed to meet OEM standards, providing a reliable solution for your dryer's needs. Say goodbye to cracked or worn-out lint filters. This replacement part effectively captures lint and debris, allowing air to flow freely and preventing issues like unusual smells or improper drying. Replacing your lint filter is simple. Just ensure you empty the slot before installation and remember to turn off the power and wear gloves for safety. This lint filter is compatible with many LG and Kenmore dryer models. Please check the list to ensure it's the perfect fit for your appliance. We stand by the quality of our product. Enjoy peace of mind with our 1-year after-sales guarantee. If you have any issues, our customer service team is here to help. What we like. This filter is built with upgraded, durable materials designed for long-lasting performance. It effectively captures debris, which helps to increase airflow, maximize drying efficiency, and reduce overall drying time. If you're looking to speed up your laundry routine and ensure your dryer runs at its best, this is a solid choice. What people say. This lint tray is performing miracles. It is catching the lint. My laundry room is cleaner. Lint is no longer causing havoc in the exhaust piping. This fits perfectly and is made better than the original. The gasket material is a higher quality than the original. Perfect fit, better quality than the one the dryer came with. After 2 years of service, this has proven to be an excellent lint screen. It actually does a better job than the factory original. It works just as well as it did when new. Number 4. LG and Kenmore Dryer Lint Filter ADQ 566566401. Before purchasing, please measure your original filter. This replacement is 11.9 by 10.9 inches. If your current filter is a different size, this one will not fit your dryer. This filter has 2 ears on top and is wider than the ADQ 566566403. It also lacks a felt seal, unlike the 5231EL1003B. Ensure your original matches these specific features to guarantee compatibility. This lint filter is designed for specific LG and Kenmore dryer models. It replaces part numbers like ADQ 566564 and AP445744. If you're unsure about compatibility, please contact us for assistance. This is a brand new, high-quality replacement part. It's perfect for your old, cracked, or broken filter, ensuring your dryer functions correctly. With its durable construction, this filter effectively traps lint and debris. This improves airflow, leading to more efficient drying and shorter cycle times. Never run your dryer without a lint filter. Your purchase includes one ADQ 566566401 dryer lint filter. It also comes with a 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This replacement is an exact equivalent, crafted with durable plastic construction to effectively trap lint and debris. It's crucial to ensure your original filter matches the specific size and features, as detailed reminders are provided. If you've carefully measured and confirmed compatibility, this offers a reliable and efficient solution for your dryer. What people say. My dryer was taking almost double the time to dry, and this fixed the issue right away. Fits perfectly, easy to install, and works just like the original. The description by the seller of which one to choose was extremely accurate and helped me select the exact match I needed. It slid right in securely, and it was a perfect fit. Also, it is made of durable material. This was the exact replacement needed for my used LG front-loading dryer. The mesh is not quite as strong a material as the original but, with care, should last a while. Number 3. LG ADQ 733732001 Genuine OEM Lint Filter Assembly. Introducing the LG ADQ7337320 genuine OEM lint filter assembly. This is a direct replacement part, manufactured to LG's exact specifications. This essential component effectively traps lint and debris from your dryer's exhaust air. It ensures a cleaner flow and protects your appliance. By keeping the exhaust vent clear, it prevents overheating. This helps extend the lifespan of your dryer and its other parts. Crafted with premium materials, this high-quality assembly offers durability and an exact fit. Always refer to your owner's manual for installation instructions. Choose genuine LG OEM factory parts for your LG appliances. Experience the difference that quality makes, because life's good. What we like. As a genuine OEM part, this lint filter assembly is manufactured to exact specifications for your LG dryer. It plays a vital role in keeping the exhaust vent clear, preventing overheating, and contributing to a longer lifespan for both the appliance and its other components. If you prioritize original quality and guaranteed compatibility for your LG appliance, this is the way to go. What people say. Identical to the OEM lint filter. Fits perfectly, sliding it in and out. My dryer is 6 years old. The bending flex plastic mildly cracked a few years ago, but it still worked okay. This last month, it opened up more, letting lint escape into the out ducts. Not good. Plus I could barely push it back in or pull out. Ordered this OEM part. I'm pleased, it really drops right in and out without any fuss. El original costaba mucho trabajo sacarlo y meterlo, ahora sin esfuerzo lo puede uno sacar y meter sin ningún problema, ahora toda la familia lo hace y la secadora funciona mejor. Number 2. Uszily 5231EL 1001C lint filter for LG Kenmore dryers. Before ordering, please measure your original lint filter. It must be 12.2 by 10.6 by 1.5 inches to ensure compatibility with your dryer. This is the 5231EL 1001C filter. While it may resemble the W10120998, note the crucial difference: ours has air holes at the top, while the other does not. Please check your original filter for these holes. This replacement is designed for specific LG and Kenmore dryer models. If you're unsure, provide your dryer model number or a photo of your old filter, and we'll help you confirm the correct part. Replacing your old lint filter is quick and easy. No tools are required, and the installation can be completed in under 3 minutes. Crafted for durability, this filter performs just as effectively as the original. It's a high-quality, perfect replacement designed to keep your dryer running efficiently. Your package will contain one 5231EL 1001C dryer lint filter. It comes with a 12-month warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This filter features a high-quality design with a felt seal, ensuring a snug fit and effective lint trapping. It's designed for easy installation, requiring no tools and taking just minutes to complete. If you need a reliable, high-quality replacement that works just as well as the original and includes a felt seal for optimal performance, this is an excellent option. What people say. Fits my LG BLG 7001W dryer fine. Have used it a few times and does the job. Exactly as described, fits perfectly. This product works well and fits well into the dry as it should. Number 1. LG Kenmore Elite Dryer Lint Filter and Cover Replacement Kit. Introducing a premium replacement lint filter and housing designed for your LG or Kenmore Elite dryer. This upgraded stainless steel filter is more durable and easier to clean, ensuring optimal performance. The included lint screen cover housing features a sturdy casing for long-lasting use. It's designed to perfectly complement the new filter, providing a complete solution. These replacement parts are compatible with a wide range of LG and Kenmore Elite dryer models. Check the list to ensure a perfect fit for your appliance. Is your dryer vent clogged, or does the lint filter pop out or get stuck? This replacement kit is the solution to these common problems, restoring your dryer's efficiency. Replacing your old, worn-out lint filter and housing is simple. Enjoy better drying times and prevent potential issues with this essential maintenance part. By choosing this high-quality replacement, you're investing in the longevity and efficiency of your dryer. Keep your appliance running smoothly for years to come. What we like. This package offers a comprehensive solution by including both the lint filter with an upgraded stainless steel screen and the lint trap cover housing. The stainless steel screen is more durable and easier to clean, while the sturdy housing addresses common issues like clogged vents or filters that pop out. If you're experiencing persistent lint issues or want a more robust and easier to maintain system, this combination is ideal. What people say. Fits tight. My old one wouldn't go in and it grabbed clothes. It actually ripped a shirt, so I needed a new one. This one works great. Fit like a glove and easy to replace on my LG True Steam Dryer. Glad I purchased this product. Exact fit. Serving its purpose. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.